Let's take an up-close look at the LEGO City Space Mech. It has 140 pieces and is recommended for ages 6 and up. Set number 60428, it has the mech itself, it has the minifigure that rides in it, it's got a small robot next to it, and then it has some crystals to mine. The mech does a couple of cool things. It's meant for mining, so it's got like a grabber claw here. It's pretty neat. You can pick up the crystals. It's got some sort of a hammer, a demolition drilling hammer, I suppose. Maybe I've seen too many movies, but I kind of get some Eleanor Ripley alien vibes here. Way more friendly, though. As far as Lego mechs go, this one is very articulated. You can get a lot of movement out of it, and the overall size is fairly small. It is 10 centimeters tall, or just a hair under 4 inches. It's a fun little toy. I like that it's very colorful. It fits in well with the Lego City stuff. I'm not exactly sure when Lego City went to space, but I think that's kind of a neat evolution for the sets. Here's a close-up on that little robot guy. He's got some drills. He's got a battery on the back. He can do some work for us, I suppose. Let's have a better look at that manual, too. It gives you all the instructions and the parts list. Let's take a better look at the minifig too. This one appears in only 2 sets, this set and a bundle pack that includes this set as well. If you ever need to reference this minifigure, he's got an incredibly specific name. Astronaut male white spacesuit with bright light orange arms, bright light orange helmet, clear visor, bright light orange armor. Anyways, here's the suit underneath of all that orange armor. Take a better look at it this way. Front and back. I mean, sometimes you don't see those details, especially in the product photos. So I wanted to make sure you could see that here. He slides back together pretty easily. Helmet goes on. There you go. There's the completed look. Thanks for checking out this set with me. It's a pretty decent addition to the Lego City stuff that my kids already have, and they're excited to play with it. It goes well with their other sets. I'd recommend think about adding it to your collection.